Hey, it's Anissa. Today I'm bringing you one of my favorite deals. It's on this 24-foot Edison-style LED string lights. Now, I have to point out, this is a quality set. First, let's start with the bulb. It's shatterproof. That's because it's not glass. So if it's windy outside and it's hitting up against the house, no worries. Now the LED element inside is actually dimmable. You don't see that in string lights unless they're professional grade. Then what I really love is you can actually replace each bulb. They even give you an extra one. Now LEDs last virtually a lifetime, so you probably won't ever have to, but you have it, it's there. You can use these indoors or out. That's because it uses a traditional AC plug. But here's the thing you're gonna love. They're linkable. You can actually link up to 25 sets together. That's 600 feet of gorgeous string lights. That means you can cover large areas like a big patio. But you can place these all over the place, on your fence, around your deck, on your gutters or awnings. But then take them inside and you can decorate your dining area. How about a game room? Or us Midwesterners, we like to hang out in our garage. Now you can make it beautiful. These are really safe. They're ETL rated for safety and compliance, and because they're LED, they stay cool to the touch. And they're very energy efficient. You can actually string all 25 of them together and you're gonna use very little energy. These are gorgeous, easy to use, and linkable. But what I really love is our super low price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. And you're gonna wanna buy a bunch of these. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab a couple of sets today.